I have this Bird ES1 electric scooter. I've had it for some amount of time, over a year. I can turn it on. All looks fine. Shows 0 speed. Battery's got 4 bars, miles per hour, S. I don't think you can change any of those modes. If I double click the button here, turns on the light. Double click it again. Oh, I guess just single click. Single click turns it on and off. Double click does nothing different. The problem is that it's got 4 slow blinks and 6 fast blinks on the brake, indicating some sort of fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 fast blinks, yeah. So the model on the bottom here, ES1, I don't see a serial number. There is no other sticker on it showing a serial number, so I don't know if you just use this IC number. If I get it going, let's see if we can do this. Hold the throttle. Let me just put the phone down here. Sorry, it's gonna be blocked maybe. I just want to show that it doesn't go very fast. 1 second. So I don't know if I can hold the phone and ride this thing, but the maximum speed is around 3 miles per hour. Well, there we go. Okay, so there I'm not. It's running. Okay, 8 miles an hour unloaded. So it won't go any faster than that. Usually it'll go like, I don't know what, 16 miles per hour or something. So it's still blinking the error code on the brake light, even though it is running. Front tire's spinning right now, and it's going 8. So there's obviously some problem. Be nice to know what it is. If it needs a new battery, is my guess. Hopefully it doesn't need more than that. But I guess a new battery or BMS or control board, I don't know. Yeah, thank you for your help.